For this project, I'm going to make an algorithm that acts kind of as like a social media filter, where it will take a recording of you and your face, and it will basically try to reframe the image so that your face is in the middle of the image at all times. Inspiration for this video comes from this other video, which is a guy showing off the abilities of Adobe Premiere, where he's able to keep his face in the same spot at all times while he's dancing. And so he's jumping all around and it's just staying in the same spot in the video. Also, to show how this filter works and how it compares to an unedited video, I'm going to have this algorithm export two videos where one is the original camera footage and then the other one is the edited footage. So for this code, I have it first initialize a camera to start capturing video, and then I have two output parameters, which are the original footage and then the edited version, which I named Face App, as it is about trying to focus your face in the center of the video. And then the next thing you want to do is that you want to load two files into the algorithm, which is first a file that talks about the model architecture for detecting faces, and then another model for the weights of this architecture. And then you create a network that you want to run images through to basically see the confidence level of a face being detected in the image. Next, I have that if the confidence of a face being detected in the image is over 50%, then it will define a box of where the face is located in the image with a start X, a start Y, end X, and an end Y. And then to try to find the center of this box as like a coordinate in the image, I found the average of end X and start X, and also end Y and start Y. And then the next thing I did was to display the detection probability, which just prints the confidence level of a face being there right above the face. The next part is actually about how you edit the image to keep the face in the middle. So in the beginning, I initialized a matrix which is just filled with zeros to kind of act as a black background for the video. And so when I find the center and put the text in for the confidence level, you want to then actually edit the black background to have spaces fill with the original video. So you have it so that the central coordinates of your face are always in the central coordinates of the actual final edited video. I then added lines to the original footage so that you could see where my face would be in the 4 coordinates of the camera capture. And then I set it so that it's showing the 2 videos while the code is running, and it saves the videos to my computer. So here's the code actually running. So it's first initializing the camera, and then here's the 2 videos. As you can see, as my face moves from quadrant to quadrant, my face stays in the middle of the image. And so here's the original footage of me moving from quadrant to quadrant. And then here's the edited footage of my face staying in the middle of the frame, even though my face is actually moving. One thing to note is that for the original video, it is recorded in 640 by 480, but for the edit of the output video, it's actually 2 times that in both directions. And so I chose to do these like in increased numbers because, as you saw, when your face moves, it actually has to have a bunch of blank space around it so that the frame can move around while keeping your face in the center. So I chose to just have double the size so that even at the most extreme points, the whole image would fit with my face still in the middle. And so this usage of W and H and then 2 times W and 2 times H is used throughout the code so that the edited version is actually double the size, but it has the same size of the original frame just inside of it. This project was interesting because it uses some technology and practices that are more common in social media today with filters on Snapchat and TikTok and Instagram. And it would be interesting to like see how you could do more stuff with that sort of detection algorithm.